Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye. I'm gonna rummage through treasure and find the perfect pieces of clothes for my mid-sized body, a size 8 to 10, stout and short and stubby, big booby girl, no booty girl, flat as a box. And that's me. We just have to make it happen. And this is my first time thrifting ever. I don't know what to expect. Is that a spider? Oh my god. But first, my car is white, not red. The bitch decided to break down on me. Just kidding, my back motor is getting fixed up. Let's return this loaner car and head to Grand Rapids, where all the thrifting's at. That's so pretty. This low-key feels like a cult, not gonna lie.
Sugar, you got that something special. I felt that shit right when I met you. That shit that make these instrumentals. Learning songs, I know I said it before, but I feel like I'm in love. And sugar, I can never let go. I feel that shit when both our hands hold. That shit that make these instrumentals. Learning songs, I know I said it before, but I feel like I'm in love. I told Vino I'm getting sick, huh? Sip on Vino and then it hit more. Yeah. My baby holding me down while the room spinning around. Towel on my mouth and then she...
Wonder 61.95 says, listen, Linda, I got that coat and it was for $69, but originally it's for $250 from Anthropology. I thrifted to make this up. Let's go to either Goodwill or Salvation Army. We made it. Salvation Army. Found one thing for $5.99. Let's go to Goodwill. Plus, I am so close to pissing myself. But if you know me, I hate peeing in public. I really didn't want to get Chick-fil-A, but they have the best salad. I haven't had Chick-fil-A in so long because I don't like that they don't support the LGBTQIA plus community. I haven't had Chick-fil-A in maybe 2 years. Really needed a salad, and I hate McDonald's salad. You know my heart's with you, my gays and queers. I love you. That's me. Thank you. Knows what I've been touching all day. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. I love these pieces. There's so much more here. Wop. It's kind of cute. No like at Goodwill, more like Badwill. I saw this girl come into the store and she had the cutest outfit and she's representing us bigger girlies. So I was like, girl, you look so good. Okay, I didn't say it like that. I was like, I like your outfit. You just saw her face light up. Can you even see me from here? Thank you so much. You just made my day. The lesson here is to be vocal about your compliments, not just your complaints. Kindness goes a long way. Unlike this Chick-fil-A sauce. Okay, bitches. Time for the haul that no one asked for. Why are we talking like that? Just FYI, I have spandex on with my period undies on. I've been going strong for 3 months. I do not want to hear it. I love them. It's life-changing. I seriously think I did a pretty good job. Plaid asymmetrical skirt that I think flatters my body beautifully. Although I will say it is in a size medium and it's a little tight. So it opens up like this. Pretty wide. A little blanket moment. The most important button is this front one. Got this for $6. The pleating starts on one side, all around to the other side, and it kind of bleeds into my thigh. We have the asymmetrical flap that I've been talking to you guys about. Do I look like a little Irishman? Actually, I lied. The pleat of the skirt goes all around the circumference of our booty to the side, and then in the front, it's a little bit more flat with that flap. On the side, the pleat, I don't know what it is. It creates the A-line. Apple bottom jeans, boots. We're supposed to go for that. So that's what we did. We got a skirt that pleats in this very A-line poofy cupcake shape. Originally, I was like, if I don't love it, just pass it, because then it becomes clutter in my closet. I literally put on my Air Force, and I was like, that kind of sealed the deal. I just really want people to be like, oh my god, Faye, what skirt are you wearing? I go, I thrifted it. You guys know how I be running my mouth about how my skirts just, I can't find the same, I can't find the right length. Oh yeah, our ears are bleeding, we know. Skirt is like perfect. Me tipping over, nothing will happen, you know. Perfectly straight on the back. I got this jersey, $5.99 in a size large. I got this in the men's section from Salvation Army. Nothing thriving in there. It was just so sad. I'm sorry for the boys who are trying to cop something. First come, first serve. You snooze, you lose. There were a lot of like kids, teenagers shopping for back to school, and I was like, there were, okay, when I say a lot, I mean like two. I know what you're thinking, like, hey, what are you doing? How are you gonna style this? Why did you even get this? First of all, it's $5.99. I don't care what you say, this gold, adorbs, and bold, only one. I want to wear this with like baggy jeans because I'm going for the new jeans vibes. I wish it was my favorite number, which is 11 and not 36, because 36 was the Weather Channel growing up, so that's all I think about. I feel kind of gross putting this on. Definitely need to wash this somehow, some way. Imagine pairing this with baggy jeans or even like cargos. Ah, speaking of, if I could donate anything, I'd donate my sweat. I can supply a whole township with fresh water. Salt water. So I got these cargos. This is from the First Place. It's definitely a mix from low to high end. I should have spent more time in there, I swear. These retail for $29.99. I know it's a little high. I believe this brand, like their clothes, when I looked online, it ranges in the 50s to 60s. So I'm just gonna say that these cargos were like $50 and I stole it for $30 just to feel better about myself. You could clearly find cargos for like $30. And if it happens to be these, so be it. My favorite part is definitely the waistband. Scrunchies here, around on the side and the pockets, and then the bottom of your leg. So once it gets to my fat ass, it's a little tight. I have to roll it like once or twice and then I seal the deal. Look at this waistline. It's just so perfect. I mean, even my little flat ass looks good in this. These cargos are so freaking cute. I mean, okay, the jersey's a little long, but you see what I mean? Do you get my drift? Something like that, you know? See, it's giving 90s kids. Just don't look from the side too long because I become like super wide. Let me put some shoes on to make it make sense. Oh my gosh. This outfit is so like, I don't know. You tell me what it is. What it is, ho. What's up? Every good girl need a little thug. Pick it up. I'm gonna throw off the jersey so I could focus on the buttons. Look at the cargos. Finally found the best pair of cargos ever. And they don't feel sticky, sweaty on your legs. So lightweight. Like I know you hear the windbreaker material, but it's not even that. It's like fancy a raincoat on estrogen. I'm just gonna throw this on since we're here. I know this is the most basic thing ever. I know college students walking from campus to your dorm type of vibe. I don't have a little puffer vest. It's padded, it has these thick pockets. Ooh, it's water resistant, good for cold weather. This is from the brand Love Tree. It says new, so no one ever worn it. And it's for $34.99. So I'm curious if this is like the actual price of the item. Regardless, it feels like a weighted blanket. This is in the size medium. Just looks a little lame zipped up with like no shirt underneath. I feel like Rihanna's dancer. Don't challenge me because I will. I swear this is what they were doing, right? I think if I had like a shirt underneath, I'll zip it up, but you will not catch me with this zipped up. Oh my god, I'm just so excited. I saw my niece Mel, Buttcrack Mel, wear a similar vest last fall or something. I was like, damn, that's so cute. So guess who's still young and hip? Me. It's in the cutest cream color as well. Cute little marshmallow vest. Padded, weighted on you. Pocket, hood. I got this cardigan and I was so positive I was not gonna keep this suit from Madewell, and I don't know the exact price. I guess it's a brand where you can find a variety of prices. Did buy it for $19.99. Either way, I stole. Perfect for fall. Look at the way it sits on my back. Like that's all I cared about. It sits so neatly on my muffin top. Like, can you see? I don't know. Maybe I'm just crazy. The cardigan is cardigan-y. I will say it's not as comfy. It's not soft or anything. Very rough texture, but I love the color. I love the way it sits on my body. It just like flatters my shape. The sleeves naturally just close up on your wrist. Ribbed and vertical. We know we love ribs. Yes, we do. I meant we love ribbed cardigans. Okay, our last piece. My favorite piece. I got a coat. Yes, she did. Anthropology. And it's in the size small. But don't be fooled. It is very oversized. The original price is $250. I got this for $69.99. Do the math. Because I don't know the math. At first I saw it just hanging like this and I was like, ew, who's gonna wear bright green? Then I just like randomly pulled on it and I was like, Well, shit, my bad. 3 people who stopped me. 2 of them workers. 1 of them just a self-healing girly on a budget queen herself. And my sister, I guess. She counts. They all complimented this coat. They're like, oh my god, that's so cute. And I was like, I know. I just love the camper vibe it gives. Nicely padded and fuzzy this feels. And on the inside, it's actually the same like green. The one thing I don't like, the sleeves have been like kind of worn, so it's like stretched. So it doesn't like close up on my wrist. I love how it like drapes down and it comes back up here. And then it literally hugs your booty like a little swing. You know? I understand it like super chunky. I don't care. I feel like I'm like huggable. Love the back. Ugh, it's my favorite thing ever. Are some buttons damaged? There's no way I want to wear it buttoned up. Yeah, this is a little sus. I look like Franklin the turtle right now. That's what it looks like. It looks like a little turtle shell. Feels more fashionable, feels more stylish. I am sweating. The hood is huge, it's so cute. Pieces like this, and this, everything's just gonna work out as it's supposed to be, as it should. These clothes I found are making me excited to style myself and dress up more. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me thrifting. Also, buy the corsets. This is all we have left in this batch. I had so much fun and I'm sweating really bad. I'm gonna try to find more local thrift stores so we can keep doing this. Finding clothes that like makes us excited. I just love badass girls who can dress up in like any shape or form as they please and want, and they're not boxed into like this one category. Different styles, different palettes, different textures, mixing and matching. Just see this as part of my self-rediscovery journey. I mean, I really am redefining myself in all aspects. Until the next haul, see you then, bye!
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday